everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle. And guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. And I wanted to reach out to you all because, as you know, I've been sharing some wonderful things with you all. I want to thank many of you all who have stepped up to the plate and decided to say, you know what, enough is enough. This coronavirus, I don't know when I'm going to be able to regain employment or be at my just over broke, and I do claim it to be just that, just over broke. Many of you all have expressed to me just living paycheck to paycheck, and that's not a good feeling. I remember that feeling many years ago, and it's not a good feeling when you can't miss a day or you don't feel the best. You just want to take the day to recoup or what have you. But nevertheless, this video is all about making sure that you secure your leads when you're building a business. Now, a lot of you all out there, you're using whatever business opportunity you're stepping into. As we all know, they have affiliate links and they have affiliate sites and all that other good stuff, and there's nothing wrong with that, guys. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, especially if you're a newbie and you're new coming out on the scene and you're like, hey, I want to get my feet wet. I want to make sure that I can do this. I see other people, I see testimonials flying to the left, flying to the right, and I want to be a testimonial. I want to experience my breakthrough as well. Well, I'm telling you right now, you do not want to let go of your leads that are being captured into these wonderful systems. And they are wonderful systems. I'm seeing some nice systems out here. A lot of creators are being dynamic when it comes to being able to put the verbiage, the subliminal messages to convert different income platforms. I mean, this is just amazing. I'm involved in a couple myself, and I'm doing a wonderful job. And also those that are around me that are on my team as well, they're doing a wonderful job. But we also want to make sure that each and every one of you all are capturing those leads too. It's nothing wrong with the leads going in the system and you getting those conversions, examples like $100, $250, $500, as much as $2,000, in some cases $16,500. I mean, these are some wonderful commissions. But here's the thing, you don't want to lose access to that particular lead simply because if that lead at one particular point, that new subscriber that came in purchased something from you this time, just imagine if you have something similar in the same niche that you can share with them down the road. You do not want to leave that on the table. And I see a lot of you all leaving money on the table because you're just using the creator system, but you're not either creating a bridge for yourself or you're not being able to use your own autoresponder services that will allow you to be able to capture the leads and be able to follow up later on when you have more spectacular things to share with these particular subscribers. So please, that's just a little tip that I want to share with you all. Another thing I want to share with you as well, your own testimonials. Now, we all see creators, they will use their testimonials, and of course, you know, they have large lists. So they're going to use their testimonials, and that's going to drive a lot of traffic. It's going to pique a lot of interest. It's going to give a lot of people that incentive to actually step up and say, you know what, I like what this person has going on, and I want to be a part of that. But you want to also incorporate in that email series your own personal testimony. See, you don't want people just to get familiar with the creator. They're branding themselves. There's nothing wrong with that. But you want to brand yourself too as a reliable, accountable, a loyal, and actually a leader in the industry. You want to make sure that that person can reach out to you and secure any kind of communication that they can with you, whether it's texting, whether it's some people like to call me on Facebook. Some people like to just do email. Some people don't even call me at all, but they would text me all day, every day. Okay, so I'm just letting you know, you do not want to leave these valuable nuggets on the table, because if you do, this allows someone else to actually slip in and be able to secure that subscriber from you with other products and or services where you initially want to keep them at bay and also keep them on your list as a valued subscriber. That that way they'll see you as a valued brand that they will continue to follow. Okay, another thing I want you guys to understand, I know there's a lot of technology out here, there's a lot of automation, a lot of AI out here, there's text boxing, all kinds of stuff that's going out here, and these bots are doing all kinds of wonderful things, and that is great. That is great, especially when you're starting to build your business. Then there are many people that you need to talk to, but please inject just a personal, just a little bit of your personality into this equation as well, because you don't want people to just get familiar with a bot. You want them to actually get familiar with you as a person. You don't want them to just be like, well, wait a minute, who was that again? I seen the system, but who was that I actually connected with? And then they'll start sponsor shopping. You don't want a person to sponsor shop. You want them to get to know you, brand yourself, make sure that you're creating value in this space so that people will stay connected with you and they don't have any reason to go absolutely anywhere else. So sometimes taking a little bit of personal time, sometimes just taking that time to respond to a personal email does wonders. Trust me when I tell you, I do it all the time. I get on Zooms with people. I do a lot to let people know that I genuinely care and I want to see their success. That's so important. So guys, these are the tips that I just want to share with you when it comes to you actually building your business and elevating yourself in whatever chosen business that you have or businesses that you have. Always remember, I believe in multiple streams of income. That way, different people can be attracted to different levels of entry. $25 all the way up to, in some cases, $30,000. Okay, so guys, have a great one. Enjoy this wonderful Saturday and the rest of the weekend. But I wanted to definitely touch bases with you and let you know that this is how you win. This is how you not only sit on the sidelines and see the testimonials come in, but this is how you become a testimonial as well. Okay, so definitely please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit that bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if by any chance you have any questions, please feel free to email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com, and then also reach out to me. Hit a like button down there, okay? Leave me some comments. Let me know that you're alive out there and that I have you on my channel and that you are viewing some of the value that I give you, because I want you to win. Again, this is your season, so it's time for you to win. Guys, have a good one. I'll speak to you soon, and bye for now.